Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on issue where Instagram camera has zoom problem while making videos. If you are facing issue when trying to zoom in or out while creating reels on Instagram, we'll go through multiple steps to solve it. First, let's begin by going to App Store and check if there's any update available. And if there's any update available, make sure to update the app as this can sometimes fix the issue. And if updating doesn't help, go to your phone settings, scroll down and navigate to app section and find Instagram and tap on it. Now you can see multiple options here and ensure all the access like camera, location, microphone and all the other features are given access. After this, go to General again and tap on iPhone storage. Now look for the Instagram app and tap on it. You can find option like offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app. And after that, you'll find reinstall app and tap on it again. And the reason why we are doing this is sometimes the cache file may interrupt with the app and bring some bugs and from which we get issue while using the app. So in order to fix this issue, we are going through this process. After this step, head back to your home screen and restart your phone. After the phone restarts, open Instagram app and try creating the reel again, and you might find the zoom issue should be now fixed and you'll be able to zoom in and out smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.